I've shown these flashlights before on one of my collection of, and I thought I'd show how easy it is to replace these batteries, because I really like these flashlights. I picked this button cell battery pack up at a store called Tractor Supply Store. Pretty easy to put the batteries in. You just align them right. Sometimes you have to use a pointy object to get them to sit right in here. These ones, the flat side went down, and then the other side were up. Just screw on the lid, and there you go. And these are great little prop flashlights. They come in all sorts of colors. I found these at a thrift store. Seems like I'm having a hard time finding them in a regular store. And you could take off the keychain part real easy. It just opens up and comes off right like that. And you can even keep the little jump ring and add maybe a shoulder strap or something. Some action figures, they hold them really well because you can stick their hands in the handle. I just kind of wish that it had a actual button, or a button that you push and it stays on. When you let go, it turns off. Something like that. If I can find more of these, it might be worth it to sacrifice one to find a switch that you slide to turn on, then slide to turn off instead of the push button switch. These come in a variety of colors. So far I've had green, yellow, blue, and purple now. But I really like them. I think they're pretty cool. I hope to find more because they make great diorama fodder. Well, this was a fun find at a thrift store, and I'll probably be picking up more of these if I see them. I like that they actually work. Sometimes you'll find ones with batteries in them, but the batteries will be corroded and mess up the terminals. So I'm glad these actually work. Well, that's all I have for you. Let me know what you think of these little flashlights. Do you have any in your collection? If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel out. And don't forget to click that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.